Today I'm going to show you how to make one of the very famous Chinese, actually it's Cantonese dim sum. It's called Shumai. What the ingredients you need some stuff inside. Very basic. It's a cooked rice and some barbecue pork today I use. And you need a wrap. You go to Chinese grocery store to get the wonton wrap, or they directly say Shumai wrap. Wonton wrap. You need the thin one, usually two kinds, the thick one and the thin one. You need the thin one, the wonton wrap. This rice I used the vivo rice to combine with some sweet rice. I use 1 cup of vivo rice and half cup of sweet rice, 2 cups of water to use my rice cooker to cook it to the steamed rice already. Because this vivo rice is combined with the 5 different kind of rice: red rice, black rice, whole wheat, whole brown jasmine rice, and whole oats, black oats. That's why it's turned out this kind of color. But it's all natural, and of course compared with the white rice, it's a much healthier choice. Now I'm going to season it. You need to cool it down to the room temperature, but not too cold, not ice cold, absolutely. Room temperature will be perfect. I'm going to season it. A little bit, about 1 teaspoon of sugar. 5 spice powder. You get this at any kind of Chinese grocery store. I put about 1/4 teaspoon. And I put some light soy sauce, about 2 teaspoons. You can adjust it to your taste. You can taste it. You can try it. It's all cooked. Then I chopped some ginger root. You mince it very fine because it has a strong fiber. You need to mince it very fine. Half teaspoon of ginger root and 1 tablespoon of chopped green onion. And about 3/4 cup of barbecue pork. This is Chinese style barbecue pork. I got at a Chinese restaurant. It's Cantonese restaurant. You can buy it. They have it in the box. You can ask for 1 pound, even half pound. Any way you want, you ask them to weigh it and to go in the box. I cut it in this small cube, about 1/6 inch size. Put it in. Stir whole thing together evenly. Now the steamed rice become the mixture. Of course, flavorful. That's the ingredients for my shumai dim sum. I believe it's mixed very well. Now I can wrap it. Now I'm making shumai. Shumai, the wonton wrap. 1 piece at once. 1 piece for 1 shumai. Put in 1 hand, and then you put the stuffing in. About 1 tablespoon and a half once. Put in hand, and just naturally, you just wrap it lightly, slowly. And cook the rice a little bit sticky. So it's naturally, let the skin, let the wrap close to it, touch it. It will naturally just stick on it, stick together. We are going to steam it later. So not boil it. Do not worry to break it. This shape, you do not want to close the whole thing totally on top. You want to give it a neck and let the stuffing a little bit. You can see from outside, this shape is kind of like the fruit. What's it called? Pomegranate. The shape. That's the shumai. I put in my steamer one by one. Make it one by one and put it next to it, but apart from each other, about ½ inch in between. You can use tablespoon, but 1/2 tablespoon is amount for one. I use chopsticks, it's easier for me. Just naturally put them together. You can squeeze a little bit like this way. Done. Easy, huh? I will do the rest same way. Hi, I'm going to cook my shumai, steam my shumai. By the way, if you made a lot, you do not want to steam and eat at once, you can freeze it. Just put them in the plastic bag, and anytime if you want it, get it out from the freezer. Do not need to defrost it, just directly steam it for a longer time, for 10 minutes. But today, because it's fresh, I steam it only for 5 minutes. Remember, do not cook it too long, because inside the stuffing is cooked. Steamed rice and the barbecue pork, anything is cooked, but this outside the wrap, very thin wrap. Okay, I'm going to put in the steamer. The steamer should have some water, of course, in the bottom, right? About 1.5 inches. Bring it to boil. Then you put the shumai in. Be careful, do not want to burn your hand. Very quick. And cover it to steam it about 5 to 6 minutes. Will be done very soon. Hi, my shumai is done for steaming 5 minutes. Open the lid and cover it, and take out the bamboo steamer. Be careful, do not want to burn. It's very hot. Okay, bring it to the big plate and bring it to table. People use chopsticks and take to their individual plate to eat. This is for the morning breakfast with a cup of tea, cup of soy milk. Very delicious. Today I'm using the barbecue pork mixed stuffing together with the rice, the whole grain rice. Actually, you can use not specifically the Chinese barbecue. Probably you can use any kind of barbecue. If you got party, some leftover barbecue pork, barbecue chicken, you can use, but remember, debone it. Okay, then cut it in small pieces and mix it with your steamed rice and wrap it. Very easy, very delicious. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching.